If you are looking for your files on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, the easiest way to find them is to use the Files app, which you might be able to find over here in the home screen, at least by default. But of course, you can also go to the app library and search for the app over here. Now, you're gonna start probably with recent, so you can find all items that you recently got saved on your iPhone. But you can also switch to browse in order to go through different catalogs and folders, and you can either tap on the arrow over here in the top left corner or tap on browse again in order to open the full list of different locations where you can search your files. And let's say we can also use search in here as well, but if you want to, you can switch between iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. And if you have some third-party apps, then sometimes it can be synchronized with the Files app as well. For example, in my case, I have Google Drive, which can also be used over here in order to find the content. Unfortunately, sometimes the content is not available for some reason, but yeah, this is how we can find all our files. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.